In this video, I'm demonstrating the TimeWise Miracle Set. Step 1 is the cleansing process with the TimeWise 4-in-1 cleanser. I usually put an ample amount, maybe a quarter size, mix that with water, get a good lather going. I usually start on my lower face, jaws, and neck, and then I move up to my higher cheeks and then up to my forehead. It feels wonderful, so I do a lot of rubbing. The TimeWise 4-in-1 cleanser thoroughly cleanses and immediately refreshes skin while it gently exfoliates, leaving skin looking brighter and feeling renewed. And once I get that in, it's time to rinse. Take about a minute to rinse it off real good. The TimeWise Miracle Set helps reset the pace of skin's visible aging starting in as little as 2 weeks and improves multiple signs of strong, healthy skin in just 4 weeks. And I pat dry and get ready for step 2, which is going to be the hydrating process. And we're going to use the TimeWise Antioxidant Moisturizer. I usually use, I'd say in between a nickel and quarter size, depending. And I usually dab that on and then rub it in. And as you'll see, I'll rub it in very good. It's a very good moisturizer, providing 12 hours of hydration with a non-greasy, quick-absorbing formula. This antioxidant moisturizer is designed to easily complement both a day and night routine. As you see, I get that everywhere. Go a little overboard on the rubbing, but it feels wonderful, so it's hard not to. Now we're ready for the defend process. Step 3. Using the TimeWise Daytime Defender Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. And once again, depending on how much you like to use, I use a pretty good amount because I like the sunscreen to absorb in, since I'm in Vegas and it's very hot during the spring and summer. And even during the wintertime, I like to wear a sunscreen because it's so dry out here. So I definitely have an ample amount of sunscreen going on. The TimeWise Daytime Defender Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30 is a daily skincare essential that helps protect skin against environmental stressors and improve visible premature skin aging while defending against UVA and UVB rays. And I get close to my eyes, but I definitely make sure I don't get it in my eyes. And finishing off with the forehead. It feels so good. Let that absorb in. Once that absorbs in, then my face is ready for makeup. And that is the Mary Kay TimeWise Miracle Set.